12 o'clock Saturday night. I have some alcohol. Just make a little snack for my drink. So hungry, dude. Ah! Today's dish is kimchi tofu pork stir fried. So good. All you need is onion, garlic, pork. If you don't have garlic, no need garlic. All you need is kimchi tofu pork. I got this pork belly from ShopRite at a special deal, $2.62. Cheers. I kimchi, kimchi, kimchi. I am from a land of kimchi. I'm a kimchi boy. I am hungry. I see weakness. Corn! Now we're ready to roll. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! For this, you wanna have a fermented sour kimchi. Right now, my kimchi is like new, so you add a little bit of vinegar. If the kimchi is too sour, add sugar. Oh, hey. Add same amount of kimchi as the pork. If you have some kimchi juice, perfect. Some doenjang. A bit of gochugaru. If you don't have it, a mix of cayenne and paprika. Make it this big. Mmm. Oh my god.
Ta-da!
Corn.
Cool.
It's on my bucket list one day. I cook something for Gordon Ramsay and we drink a soju or a beer together. Easily 8.2 out of 10. So good.